Hey everyone, welcome back to Simply Makeup. In today's video, it is going to be an eyeshadow topper look. It's simple, easy, and it's going to be a quick tutorial. So keep watching. I'm going to use a skin color eyeshadow look on my lids first. I already have an eye base on. I use this shade all over my eyes. Now I'm going to use a topper, just a topper. Today's I am came from the comments. It says, I am grateful that when things are bad, I have someone to pray to. I am grateful that when things are bad, I have someone to pray to. Today's I am. What is your I am for today? I am back with today's simple, easy eyeshadow topper eye look. And this is what it's looking like. It is just a topper. And I want you to pay attention, especially to this eye. When you have extra hooded eyes, because you will see a difference. Because my eyes are very hooded, when I open my eyes, it rests on my eyeliner and it transfers. So with me looking at you like this, the puffy hooded eye section is resting on my liner. And when I open my eyes, you will see a trace of it. And it gets deeper as the day goes by. So then it just looks like I have a separate color in the middle. I hope you can see it. It happens to both, but the one that's the puffiest is the one you will see the line more. On this eye, you can see it, but it's faded. On this eye, it's more. Always remember you first. Love yourself plenty. Always, always take care of yourself because life is short and life is very, very important. Enjoy it. Have fun.